Hello everyone, welcome to Study with Soumya. In this video, let's cover the west flowing and east flowing rivers of India. Usually, west flowing rivers are Arabian Sea draining rivers. East flowing rivers drains into Bay of Bengal. Now let's see one by one. The west flowing rivers of India are Indus, Luni, Sabarmati, Mahi, Narmada, Tapi, Mandovi, Zauri, Kali Nadi, Shravasti, Netravali, Bharatpula, Periyar and Pampa. These are the west flowing rivers. West flowing rivers drains into the Arabian Sea. Now let's see the east flowing rivers. Brahmaputra, Ganga, Subarnarekha, Bhamani, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Pennar, Palar, Ponnayar, Kaveri, Vaigai. These rivers drains into Bay of Bengal. In this video, we have covered the west flowing and east flowing rivers of India. If you want to cover the entire UPSC syllabus, kindly follow and subscribe my channel. Thank you.